Welcome to our video introducing the Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Boxes with Labels. If you're looking to step up your kitchen and pantry organization game, then you've come to the right place. These elegant food storage containers come in a set of 4, each with a capacity of 3.2 liters, 2.82 QT, 13.53 cups, 0.85 gallons. With their same size design, your kitchen will never look the same again. But it's not just about looks, these containers are built to last. Unlike other sellers on Amazon, we've taken meticulous care to ensure that our containers are made with high-impact resistant and durable ABS plastic. And the improved lids are designed to withstand everyday use without breaking. The lid lock mechanism ensures maximum freshness and creates a 100% airtight seal, prolonging the storage life of your food. One of the best things about this product is the superior bundle it comes with. In addition to the 4 containers, you'll also receive a chalkboard marker and 10 reusable chalkboard labels. This allows you to easily label your containers, making pantry organization a breeze. And with the beautiful box it comes in, it makes for an ideal gift for any family. These versatile containers are perfect for storing not only dry foods like pasta, flour, sugar, and nuts, but they can also hold liquids such as water, juice, and soup. They are completely hassle-free and spill-proof, making them a reliable choice for any kitchen. One of the standout features of these containers is their space-saving design. The durable square shape allows for easy stacking, so you can maximize the space in your refrigerator, freezer, or cupboard. This not only helps you get your kitchen organized but also frees up space in your pantry. And when it comes to cleaning, these containers are extremely user-friendly and ready to use. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. So, make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. In summary, the Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Boxes with Labels are the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen and pantry storage. With their elegant design, durable construction, and versatile functionality, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So go ahead and click on the link in the description to get your set today. Happy organizing!